Deck, porch, and stair surfaces need specialized coatings to resist rapid wear and slip when included in exterior house painting. Start by choosing the right product for horizontal traffic areas. Solid color acrylic deck coatings and penetrating deck stains are designed to flex with wood and resist abrasion better than typical wall paint. Use an anti-slip additive mixed into the final coat for stairs and high traffic zones. Measure according to the product instructions and stir thoroughly to keep the particles evenly suspended. Prepare surfaces by thoroughly cleaning with a deck cleaner followed by a deck brightener to neutralize tannins and raise grain for better adhesion. Then sand loose fibers and old gloss to a consistent, dull profile. Replace any rotten boards and tighten fasteners before coating because no finish can stop structural movement from causing failure. Apply coatings only when the surface and ambient temperatures are within the manufacturer recommended range, and avoid application if frequent moisture or standing water is expected. In those cases, consider penetrating stains or composite materials instead of paint. Establish a maintenance schedule with annual inspections, spot sanding of worn areas, and recoat intervals based on traffic levels and the product technical data. Common mistakes include using standard exterior wall paint on horizontal surfaces, which quickly abrades and becomes slippery. Fix this by switching to a product made for decks and adding a texture additive. Another issue is poor preparation, such as skipping, cleaning, or brightening, which leads to peeling and poor adhesion. Always clean, brighten or treat, and sand before coating. A third problem is applying coatings in damp or cold conditions, which traps moisture and prevents cure. Wait for dry weather and follow temperature and humidity guidelines. Or opt for breathable stains if moisture exposure cannot be avoided. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to exterior deck and porch projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about materials, preparation, and maintenance.